Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create an AR emoji. So it's real simple to do. Just go into the Samsung folder and look for AR Zone. Open it up and you will see these different options: AR Emoji Camera, AR Emoji Doodle, AR Emoji Studio, AR Emoji Stickers, Deco Pick and Quick Measure. You will have to download Quick Measure. Okay, so just open up AR Emoji Camera and down here you will see these different options. So there's Scene, Mask, Mirror and Play. Okay, so I've got a mask on at the moment, so I'm going to select Mask and then I'm going to hit this little plus sign and you will see this window open up, this round circular window. Just place your face within the window and then snap a pic. Okay, so down below you have these different options. You have male, female, and then you have male and female, but these smaller ones are for children and these bigger ones are for adults. So I'm going to choose male and then hit next, and now it's going to create an emoji. Okay, so here you have the different hairstyle colors that you can choose from. Or if you want a bald head, you can have a bald head. And if you're a female, there's all these different female hairstyles to select and choose from. So I'm going to create the emoji to look very much like myself. So let me see if I can find my hairstyle. So as you can see, there's loads of different hairstyles to choose from. Okay, that's pretty much me. Okay, so down here we have hair, facial hair. So you can choose the different facial hairstyles. Okay, that's me. You can also choose the color. And as you can see, there's a wide variety of different colors, guys. Loads to choose from. And then face. So if you want a chubby face or a slim face, you can see there's just different ones to choose from. Okay, that's me. Then you can choose your skin tone color. And then we have eyes. And you can also move the emoji's face all the way around so you can look at the back of your hairstyle. It's really cool, guys. So you can just spend some time and just create an emoji that looks just like you. And then once you're finished, okay, so we have eyebrows, nose, so you can adjust the nose, the lips, also the smile lines, ears, and if you've got freckles or moles, you can add them to the emoji. So if you look, you can see some freckles there. And then you can now set up the body as well. So right arm, left arm, and also the right leg. And the left leg. And when you're done, guys, like I says, just hit next. And you are almost finished. So we're just gonna wait for it to finish completing. By the way, if you want to know how to get your screen refresh rate on your display, I will link a video in the comment section down below, and I'll show you how you can get this on your display. Okay, so it's all done, and our emoji is now set. How cool is that, guys? Okay, so that's how you set up the AR emoji on your Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. If it helped you out, you already know what to do, guys. Give the video a like and a share. It's your boy Enjoy Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces. Okay, back again real quick, guys. So, guys, these are the different masks that you can choose from. Also, you can move your head, and the AR emoji moves its head, as you can see. If I stick out my tongue, you see, it sticks out its tongue. Okay, so you can choose these different masks and apply them. And if you choose this Mickey Mouse option here, you can download some other masks. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you all that real quick. Anyway, it's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Deuces.